Welcome, today in front of me POCO C40 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first let's just open the settings application and then scroll down to the additional settings. After that, tap here to screen recorder and you'll see here sound source section. Now we have selected here the system sounds there, so this means that you'll use in your screen recordings all the sounds on your device, the medias, ringtones, incoming calls. Also we can switch it to the microphone, so after that selecting the microphone you can comment something, and also you can just record the mute video. And that's it, that's all of the sound settings here. If you wanna open them by the second way, you just can use the notification panel shortcuts, and after that you should click here, click and hold for a while to the screen record icon, and by the same way you can after that change the sound settings on your POCO C40. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.